Welcome to the future of content creation, the year 2024, where faceless YouTube niches are taking over. Here's a quick roundup of 25 niches you can cash in on. First, the world of esports commentary. It's not just for the pros anymore. Second, virtual reality gaming. It's like you're in the game without being seen. Third, audio storytelling. Think of it as a modern-day radio drama. Fourth, animated education videos. Who said learning can't be fun? Fifth, the realm of ASMR. Sounds that soothe without a face. Sixth, mental health and meditation guidance, helping others find peace from behind the screen. Seventh, mystery and true crime narration. The suspense is real. The list goes on with music production tutorials, language learning sessions, tech and gadget reviews, book summaries, cooking without showing the cook, DIY crafts, fitness instruction, financial advice, history lessons, wildlife sounds, space and astronomy facts, poetry readings, virtual tours, coding classes, philosophical discussions, and lastly, environmental awareness talks. Remember, your voice and your creativity are your strongest tools. Use them wisely, and the opportunities are endless.